The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Allen County, southeastern Noble County, Delaware Kalb County, Defiance County, northern Paulding County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Huntertown to near Fort Wayne, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Wayne, Defiance, Auburn, Garrett, Hicksville, Butler, Huntertown, Paulding, Waterloo, Antwerp, Woodburn, Grabill, St. Joe, Leo-cedarville, Swan, Concord, Farmer, Newville, May, and Melrose. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 24 and 30. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 310 and 334.